psychophysics, the correlation between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And so as I got into music, so I'm not a musician in the strictest sense, I'm a research scientist who got into music to understand music from another perspective. It's another way of pronouncing it that we're expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, a frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity. While this sound travels, it has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum. Amplitude is the loudness, frequency is the pitch.